Now, for the final question, how does cultural criticism connects to the book of Onako? Cultural criticism is important for Onako because the novella reflects the cultural beliefs, racial hierarchies, and contradictions of the 17th century England. Here are some key connections that I was able to pull up when I was going through this. European standards shape how Ornico is described. The narrator praises Ornico by comparing his feature, like his Roman nose and his proportional face, and how it's to the perfect European ideal. This shows that his worth is judged through European cultural standards, which reflects the racial ideology of the time, right? Next is the text exposes colonial hypocrisy. Now, the colonizers claim to be civilized and honorable, yet they lie, they deceive, and they they enslave, and they brutally punish Owenaka. Cultural criticism helps reveal the gap between European moral values and colonial violence. Um, Next, Ben challenges the Ben challenges and reinforces cultural at the same time. Right? She condemns the suffering Oniko faces, but she still views him through a European lens and does not fully question the institution of slavery itself. This shows how authors can be critical of cruelty while still being shaped by their cultural ideology, right? Next, in a way that it connects us to is again power, race, and hierarchy are culturally constructed. This is the last point. Oneko's rebellion and punishment highlights how colonial authority maintains control through violence and racial hierarchy, which cultural criticism helps us perfectly interrupt, right? By using this cultural criticism, we can see that Onako is more than just a tragic story. It becomes a window into a vast mindset of the British Empire, showing how literature can be both challenge and participate in the ideologies of this time. Thank you so much.